Alright, y'all. So, back here again today with a different type of video. I think I decided where I want to go with my videos. So, today we're going to be installing a CW lip on my RSX. You know what I'm saying? Got the lip, not the lip, the side skirts. Side skirts is right here. I got a strut bar too, but we ain't worried about that. And I also got like the rear lip pieces that go with it up there. So up in the house, and my girlfriend's cleaning them. So we're gonna get those done because we want to paint them and do all of that. Alright, so I didn't record this part. My girlfriend, she threw two primer coats on it, right? Two? One primer? Yeah, two primer on this, and then 3 paint coats, and then 1 clear coat on this, and that came out actually pretty good. It's supposed to match up to that, so that should be pretty cool. And this, you got what on this?
3 primer.
Okay, 3 primer.
No, 2 primer and 1 of these. You're confusing me.
Okay, so she got the two primer and then the 1 color of the coat. So she's getting ready to add another coat on it. And this is the side skirt we ran out of primer on. We haven't even got to do the other one yet. Where the fuck? Oh, the other one's up there. Alright, so we ran out of primer. So we ran out of primer. So I gotta go to either O'Reilly's or wherever they got this primer at and freaking buy some more. We were kind of dumb on our part because we bought 2 cans of paint and then 1 can of primer. So yeah. Time to go get this primer. I wonder if I should buy some more clear coat because we only got 1 can of clear coat, but it's a pretty big can. Yeah. Alright, so I got to O'Reilly's. I picked up automotive primer this time instead of the fucking Rust-Oleum. It should work. Primer's primer. Whatever. Alright, so we pretty much finished. Just throwing the last bit of clear coat on the side skirts. That's my valve cover. I'm just messing with that. I don't even like it on the car for real. So got those on. I'm not too sure how I feel about those, but I mean, it's whatever. Probably gonna get a rear lip to go in between there because I probably like that better. But we'll see what it looks like on the car. Don't mind that dent. I'm gonna get that fixed. Don't worry about it. But yeah, let's see how this looks. All right, the battery's about to die on this camera, so I'm about to go try and put these on now. Hopefully they should be dry. But before the back things are dry, they still seen our fingerprints on it. I don't know how. But alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Set this down here. Oh. Alright, to put these on should be pretty easy. Just unbolt these and then bolt the right side up, and then the rest of it should slide in right here, and then just screw in back here too. You should be straight. Alright, so my camera died, but the finishing touches the next day, you know. Got the side skirts on. The side skirts was easy to put on. Literally just put a screw here, 2 screws there just to make the fitment look okay. And then I got a screw here. Same thing with the other side. I might have more than 1 screw on the other side though. But then back here, for the back fins, we got a screw here and 2 right here. And it looks alright. Kind of want to get something to fill up that space, but for now, that'll be alright. But yeah, that's the vlog. I don't know if you can hear me because of Marquise's car. Loud ass shit. But yeah, that's it. That's it. And I'll see y'all next time.